The well-made, sturdy step stool is a must-have for anyone who isn't 7 feet tall and needs to paint walls, hang artwork, change ceiling light bulbs, or stow or retrieve items from high shelves. To help you find the best step stool for your home, we researched step stools based on their sturdiness, portability and storage, design, aesthetic and materials, and use and versatility. There are many products available to choose cheap step stool, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best cheap step stool from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Costco 2-Step Signature Step Stool. This step stool earned our top accolade because it's stable, foldable, and well constructed, but not too heavy or expensive. It is ideal for those tasks where you need some height, but not as much as a regular ladder would require. It folds mostly flat, and you can do it easily with only one hand. The top handle comes up high and has a rubberized grip, so it offers a bit of support if you need to lean forward, though not as much as actual side railings. However, we found the product to be stable, which our experts stressed is important. We want to make sure that the bottom of the stool is stable with a good base, and if there are feet, they should be covered in rubber or something that can grip, Jacob says. The evenly spaced steps have slip-resistant plastic threads that help with stability, although the first step is very narrow, which may be problematic for some. Meanwhile, the feet have rubberized tips that protect floors from scratches and reduce wobble. At 5.5 pounds, the stool is one of the lightest on our list, and it can be easily moved from room to room. If you need to go higher, it's also available in a 3-step version. Unfortunately, it's not incredibly attractive, but given the fairly low price point and solid construction, it's made of aluminum, we think it's a worthy trade-off, especially since it can be easily tucked out of sight when it's not in use. One downside. The weight limit caps out at 225 pounds, so some buyers may need something with a higher capacity. Number 2. Tower 3-Step Ladder with Handrails. This step stool works well for those who are less confident about their balance, since it has fully incorporated handrails covered with foam grips. When you get to the top, you encounter an additional support railing that's covered in soft material, and an attached tool bag that can hold small items such as screwdrivers. Unfortunately, the rails prevent the step stool from folding completely flat, so it's important that you have a large enough space for storing it. We also were impressed with the weight capacity, which is a generous 500 pounds. The step stool also has a few nifty safety features, such as a metal buckle that locks into place. To keep the ladder stable, there are horseshoe-style rubber feet, which have flat bottoms to ensure total contact with the floor. Overall, this is a great option to use for retrieving items from a high place, small home improvement projects, and more. However, at 16 pounds, the alloy steel stool is quite heavy, so you may be less likely to want to move it from floor to floor. For this reason, some people purchase multiple step stools and keep them in different areas. Number 3. Gorilla Ladders GLHD 3T3 Step Pro Grade Steel. We love this step stool for D projects because of its project tray. It sits at the top of the stool and is generously sized. It can hold a regular can of paint and has slots for storing tools and paintbrushes. Fortunately, it can be left in the folded down position when it's not being used. There's also a railing at the top, but it's not as large as some of the others we've seen. The steps are also trimmed with yellow to make them more visible, which is a nice nod to safety. Weighing in at 18 pounds, this step stool is a bit of a behemoth. However, it's solidly constructed, thanks to alloy steel reinforcements, and has a weight capacity of 300 pounds. The top step has an oversized platform that measures 15 by 12 inches, and all the steps have slip-resistant threads. The entire thing can fold flat using one hand, so you can stash it out of the way when it's not in use. Number 4. Kramer Kick Step Tool. You've probably spotted this iconic round step stool in libraries and bookstores. It was designed more than 50 years ago, but it remains as useful as ever. The casters are retractable, so if you need to move the stool, give it a gentle kick, and the casters lock into place as soon as you step up, ensuring secure footing. The rubber treads on top help as well. The wheels are designed to be non-marking, so the stool shouldn't damage your floors as you move it around. It's constructed from durable alloy steel, and has a scratch-resistant powder coating to keep it looking great for years. We also love that it has a generous weight capacity of 350 pounds. The kickstep weighs just over 10 pounds, so it's not too difficult to carry from room to room. Some downsides of the kickstep are obvious: there are no railings or other supports, and your reach is fairly limited. Measuring 16 by 16 by 19 inches, this is bulky and difficult to store in a closet or another place. But it's good looking enough to display anywhere in your home, and an ideal everyday step stool for high traffic spots, such as living rooms and home offices. Number 5. Handy Laundry Folding Step Stool. This lightweight plastic option from Handy Laundry folds and stores easily. Weighing just over 2 pounds, this stool, which is just 9 inches high, is sometimes called a step-up, meaning it's just high enough to give you a bit of a boost. It folds completely flat and can be easily hidden when you aren't using it. We love the one-handed folding mechanism as well. You simply pull up on the incorporated carrying handle in the center, and it snaps into the flat position. Available in different colors, this stool can go well in a kitchen, bathroom, or laundry room. And since it's so portable, it also travels well. Anti-slip dots on the steps help feet stay secure, but we wish the standing platform was a bit larger. Still, at under $20, this is a great pick for those who are shopping on a budget. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below to help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.